What do? That means 3 open bracket 2 raised to power n plus 1 also is the same as 2 raised to power n times 2 raised to power 1 according to the law of indices. And what do now do? That will be 2 raised to power n times 2 because 2 raised to power 1 is 2 minus 4 open bracket 2 raised to power n times 2 raised to power minus 1 according to the law of indices. All over 2 raised to power n times 2, 2 raised to power 1 is 6 minus 2 raised to power n. Now we have, if you look at the numerator, we will discover that something is the same in the 2 brackets. 2 raised to power n, 2 raised to power n. I'll factorize it. I'll just bring it out. That is 2 raised to power n open bracket. So I'll bring 3 inside. That's 3 times 2 minus. Now I've brought out these 2 raised to power n. I'll factorize it together. So before also we enter 4 times 2 raised to power minus 1 all over. So this one, what is common here is 2 raised to power n. That means I'll factorize it 2 raised to power n into bracket. So when I factorize 2 raised to power n, so there is 2 here. Because 2 raised to power n times 2 will still give me this. Minus, I'll factorize it, that is 1. That's 1. So when we have that, that means this 2 raised to power n cannot cancel 2 raised to power n here. So what now have in the bracket? That means 3 times 2, 6 minus 4 times 2 raised to power 1 and minus 1, that is 1 all over 2. All over 2 minus 1, that is 1. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. That is 6 minus 2. That's answer is 4. So that is 4. Now let's go to number 2. Now this number 2 for the indices, we are solving as many as we can. Now 1 all over. So we are going to change 81 to its index form. Now 81 in index form, that is 3 raised to power 4. And when you do like this for 81, we can go 3 here, that's 27. 3 here, that's 23. 3 here, no 3 here 9. 3 9, that is 3. And 3 in 3 1. 1 2 3 4. So that means 81 is 3 raised to power 4 in its index form. Open a bracket. Now put this one back inside the bracket. X minus 2 equals to what's 27? 27 is 3 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 3 into bracket 1 minus x. Bracket 1 minus x. That means 1 all over 3. Now 4 times x, 4x minus 4 times 2, that is 8 equals 3 raised to power 3 times 1, 3 minus 3 times that is 3x. Now after we've done this, we can now bring this thing up. So when you are bringing it up, that will be, you are advised to put this inside the bracket. That means 3 minus raised to open bracket 4x minus 8. So this one represents your power, but there are 2 things. So you are advised to put inside the bracket and now put your minus, because in the law of indices, when you have 1 over a, you want to bring the a up to become a raised to power minus 1. Don't forget that. Now equals to 3 raised to power 3 minus 3x. Now this 3 cancels this 3. So we have, if you use minus to open the bracket, minus 4x minus is minus plus 8 equals to 3 minus 3x. Now let's collect items. Minus 4x, when you bring minus 3x, that is plus 3x equals to 3 minus 8. Now what do you now have there is that minus 4x plus 3x, that is minus x. 3 minus 8, that's minus 5. Minus cancel minus. Our x equals to 5. Now let's